An earthquake is a natural phenomenon caused by the sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust. This release of energy creates seismic waves that can result in ground shaking, landslides, tsunamis, and other types of damage. There are several causes of earthquakes, including tectonic plate movement. The Earth's crust is made up of several large plates that move relative to one another. When two plates collide or slide past each other, the friction between them can cause the release of energy, resulting in an earthquake. Volcanic activity. Volcanic eruptions can also cause earthquakes by releasing large amounts of energy. Human activity. Human activity such as mining, drilling, and building large dams can also trigger earthquakes by changing the stress distribution in the Earth's crust. Taking precautions before, during, and after an earthquake can help minimize the damage and loss of life. Here are some precautions that you can take. Prepare an emergency kit. Keep an emergency kit that includes essential items such as water, food, first aid supplies, and a flashlight. Plan and practice evacuation. Have an evacuation plan in place and practice it regularly with family members. Identify safe spots and evacuation routes in your area. Secure your home. Secure heavy objects such as bookshelves, mirrors, and pictures to prevent them from falling during an earthquake. Also, make sure that your house is structurally sound. Stay calm during the earthquake. If you are indoors, stay inside and take cover under a sturdy table or desk. If you are outdoors, move away from buildings and other structures and find an open space. After the earthquake, check yourself and others for injuries and follow the instructions of local authorities. Be prepared for aftershocks, which can occur after the main earthquake.